Hey boys and girls, this is Larry, ubrailroad.com. Check me out. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and put my bents, my trestle in, and I'm putting my truss bridge right in here. I need to get this done before I go heavy with the scenery because I need to know where this is going to end up. But what I'm going to have here is a couple bents here, a truss bridge going to this one, bent down here, and then the rest of them will be bent. Now you notice how I take the top of the bent and I put it flush to the bottom and secure it with the rubber band. This gives me the angles and everything I need to make sure it's going to be tight when I start putting my half-inch by half-inch cedar in, that this will all be pushed and hold the weight as necessary when I put it in place, okay? So there's where I'm at right now. I'll show you the truss bridge. Let me walk you in here to the shop. It's going to be 3 wide like this, and then I'll put this all together. And then once I get that in, probably a little later today, I'll get back to you and show you a little bit more. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to show you now. I'm starting on my bent, and what I did here is I cut a slit into the plaster and put in a styrofoam column. And then from there, I went with the center beam of the bent first. As you could see, I centered it in the track. That is plumb and both directions. So that is where that sits. And then from that point, then I will go ahead and start building my bents. I'll build them on site because of all the angles and the twists and everything that come with it. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how I'm doing this. So I'll see you in a bit. I'm back. I just spent the last hour and a half building this little truss bridge. Give you an idea of what I'm going to do here. There's going to be a truss going over the big waterfall. Then right here, I'll have a double bent here and a double bent here, and then I continue on up in this way. Now you can see that this right here, this is the center post of my bent. I'll have 5 posts per bent, and they'll be built in place so that everything fits nice and tight. But just wanted to give you a little update, show you my little truss that I built there. I'll get back to you in a little bit. See ya. Hey boys and girls, this is Larry with ubrailroad.com. Check me out. I'm back. Okay, I've got my trestle all done. That's what it is. It's in place now. And you can see I detailed a little bit. I put some bolt heads in it. And that's the difference between a good bridge and a great bridge. Not because I built it, but because when you put these little details in like this, that really adds a lot of character to your bridge. And anybody can put those in, you know, 1/64 drill bit, drill a little hole, drop it in, no big deal. But I've got quite a few more to go yet. But I just wanted to show you that I do have it done. So the next thing is on to the bents. So I'm going to cut this video short, and then the next one's going to be all about my bents. So hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like. Hey, tell me what you think of this. If you like this, it's kind of weird because it's an incline trestle, and you don't see those very often. But on my railroad, I happen to have one, and this is how I did it. So anyway, let me know. Appreciate it. Over and out.